my God.
Oh, hell no. God, I love this job.
Mr. Crossley, you need to put your wife down.
I've got her. Just let go of her ankles.
I'm not putting her down. If I put her down, she goes out.
Sir, we're doctors. We can help.
Show him, honey. I can't feel a pulse. Starting CPR.
I'll grab a crash cart.
I'm picking her back up.
Sir, you need to back away.
What the hell?
Now get us a real damn doctor.
So, Mrs. Crossley, you went home, you were feeling fine, you had a coughing spasm, and then you passed out?
She slipped when I tried to pick her up, so I just grabbed her by her ankles.
And she regained consciousness.
Please tell me I don't have to spend the rest of my life upside down.
Oh, your coughing episode knocked the ventricular lead from your pacemaker loose. We're gonna have to open you back up and reposition the lead.